Hello dear students, I welcome you all on the online platform of KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science, that is KTHM College Nasik. I am Sharoy Sonone from the Department of English. This video is for the students of FYBA. In this video, I will deal with compulsory English and I will focus on one of the essential grammar topics, that is articles. Articles are very important elements of English language. So it is necessary to learn the rules of articles in order to avoid mistakes. Let's see what are articles. Articles are words that define a noun or a noun phrase and help to identify the place, person, animal or thing. These are the three articles: a, an, and the. Let's see the examples. In the first example, I have highlighted the article a. She is a doctor. The article comes before the noun. Let's see the second example. I bought the mangoes. In this sentence, I have highlighted the article the. It also comes before noun. Let's see the third example. He needs an umbrella. Here the article is an. In the last example, health is wealth, you will find the articles are not used. So there are some cases in which articles are not used. At the end of this video, you will also learn such cases. Now let's see articles. These articles are divided into two groups, definite and indefinite. The word the used in English to refer to a person or thing that is identified or specified. That's why it is called definite article. A and an are indefinite articles. They refer to non-specific nouns. Now this slide contains the rules of the definite article the. Let's see the first rule. You can use the article the before the noun that has already been mentioned and is referred to again in the same piece of speech or writing. Let's see the example. I have underlined the articles. There was a king. He lived in the jungle. The king had a beautiful daughter. In the first sentence, it indicates non-specific noun, and in the last sentence, the article the indicates specific noun. Let's see the second example. We went to a hotel. The hotel was so lavish. So in the first part of the sentence, you will find a hotel which is non-specific, and the hotel means here I am going to talk about the same hotel which I mentioned earlier, the hotel. Again it becomes a specific noun. Next rule. The article the is used with a singular countable noun, and the is used to refer to a whole class of things, objects, animals, etc. See the examples. The tiger is a fiery animal. The computer has made our life easy. The rose smells sweet. Tiger, computer, rose. These are called countable nouns. In the first sentence, tiger refers to a class of animals. Computer refers to a class of electronic things. Rose refers to a class of plant or flowers. So in such cases, you have to use article the before the countable noun. See the third rule. When the noun is made specific by the use of a qualifying word, phrase or clause. Let's see the first sentence. The red flowers are roses. Here red, the word is qualifying the noun flower. So if the word qualifies the noun, you should use the before it. Let's see the second example. The man in the white shirt is my father. Now the underlined words are called a phrase. In the white shirt, it is called adjectival phrase. So if such kind of phrases are in the sentence, use the before the noun. Let's see the third sentence. The flowers that I gave you are roses. Here the underlined part is called a clause. So if the sentence contains a clause, use the before the noun. So here the appears before the noun flowers. This slide is about geographical places. You can use the article the before the names of mountain ranges, oceans, sea, desert, rivers, lakes and groups of islands. But you cannot use the article the before the names of mountain peaks or hills or a single island. Let's check the examples. The Ganga is a holy river. So the Ganga here is a name of a river. So before the proper noun Ganga, you have to use the article the. Let's see the second example. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are close to India. So as we have mentioned in the rule, the sentence indicates that if you use the name of the islands, you need to use the article the. So it is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Let's see third example. He lives near the Pacific Ocean. So again Pacific Ocean is also one of the oceans, name of one of the oceans. So the is used before its name. Let's see the next example. The Gobi Desert, the Thar Desert, the Sahara Desert. So you need to use the before the names of desert. Next example, the Arabian Sea. So if we use such kind of names of sea, always use the before its name. Next rule, you can use the before the names of holy books. Let's check these two examples. The Gita is a holy book of India. So always use the before the name of this holy book, Gita. The Granth Sahib is a holy book of Sikh. So again you can see that how the article is used before the proper noun Granth Sahib, which is the name of a holy book. Next rule, you can use the before the names of well-known buildings, trains and newspapers. Let's check the examples. The Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Raj Bhavan, the White House, or you can say the Taj Mahal. Regarding newspapers, see, the Times of India, the Indian Express, the Mumbai Mirror. So use the before the names of newspapers. You can also say the Lokmat or the Lokmat Times. Now these are the names of trains: the Rajdhani Express, the Kashi Express, the Shatabdi Express. Next rule: before you can use the before the names of countries which consist of more than one word. Keep in mind, which consist of more than one word. Let's see these examples. The United States of America, the United Kingdom, the Kingdom of Bhutan. Now, in the first example, the United States of America, you can see there is a use of the word of. Here the United Kingdom, the name is made up of more than one word. The Kingdom of Bhutan, the group of words contains the preposition of. So in such cases, you have to use the before the names of countries. In this slide, you will learn the use of the with adjectives in the superlative degree. Let's see the first example. Elena is the tallest girl in the class. So the tallest is the superlative degree of an adjective tall. So before that, the comes. In the second example, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalayas. Again, highest is the superlative degree of an adjective high, and before that, the is used. In the third example, blue whale is the largest mammal ever lived. So largest is the superlative degree of an adjective large, and before that the article the is used. I hope you understood this rule. Let's see another rule. You can use the before adjectives when they are used as noun referring to a class of people, animals, things, etc. Now see the first example. The strong can lift the luggage. Means anyone who is strong can lift the luggage. So the strong. Before this adjective strong, the is used. Second example. The lazy will not complete the difficult task. So the people who are lazy will not complete the difficult task. So for a group, what is used? The lazy. In the third example, the fit can survive in the pandemic. So again, people who are healthy, people who are fit can survive in the pandemic. So before the adjective fit, the article the is used. Let's see another example. You can use the article the before the plural forms of proper nouns to refer to families. See the example. Now the names of person. Now here is the surname Patil. That is proper noun. But if I want to mention the members of Patil family, I can use such kind of sentence. The Patils are clever. So I am talking about the family members of Patil. So you can use the article the before the proper noun, plural forms of proper nouns. Second example, the Williams sisters are the best tennis players. You know Serena Williams, Venus Williams, they are best tennis players. So for the sisters, we can say Williams. For the Williams sisters, you can use the article the. Next rule, you can use the article before the singular nouns to suggest a comparison. Now these are very common sentences that we use to compare someone to somebody. Ajay is the Sachin Tendulkar of our college cricket team. So here Ajay is not Sachin Tendulkar, but Ajay is compared with Sachin Tendulkar. So the is used before the proper noun Sachin Tendulkar. Second example, Manisha is the Shakuntala Devi of our class. You know who is Shakuntala Devi? She is a human computer. She was a human computer. So here Manisha is compared with Shakuntala Devi. So the is used before the proper noun. The is used before points on the earth and before points of the compass. See the example. The South Pole, the equator, the West, the Middle East. See, there are some points of earth and the points of compass. So the is used before the names. You can use the before names of countries which consist of more than one word and before countries that end in a plural s, plural form. See, you cannot say Philippines. You have to say the Philippines, because here the name of the country ends in a plural. In the second example, again you cannot say Netherlands, you have to say the Netherlands. So the word also ends in a plural s. In the next example, the next rule is you can use the before the names of universities with the word of. See, the University of Pune or the University of California. So if the name of the university contains the word of, you have to use the article the. Now this slide is about when articles are not used. So these are some rules. The first rule is that before proper noun you cannot use any article. Example, Maya. Maya is a name of a person. So you cannot say the Maya or a Maya. Okay. Samsung is also name of the company. It's proper noun. So you cannot use any article before its name. Second example. Second rule. Before abstract nouns and subjects of study. You know concrete noun and abstract noun. So here for abstract nouns like honesty, peace, you cannot use articles. Again see the names of subjects, physics, English, Marathi. So in such cases you cannot use the article the. Before mass nouns you cannot use the articles. We breathe air. Water is precious to all. So air is a mass noun. Water is also a mass noun. So before that you cannot use the article. Let's see another rule. You cannot use the articles before the names of most diseases except headache or cold or cough. For example, cancer is a fatal disease. Cancer is the name of the disease, so you cannot use the articles. Diabetes is very common disease. Again, diabetes is also the name of a disease, so you cannot use the articles. Next rule, you cannot use the articles before the names of the colleges and universities without of. For example, Pune University, or we had seen in the earlier slide, you can say the University of Pune, but in such case you cannot use the article the. You have to say Pune University or Delhi University. Next rule, you cannot use the articles before the names of mills. So we take mills at different times in the day. The example, he took us to dinner. You cannot say he took us to the dinner. We have breakfast. You cannot say we have the breakfast, right? Now the important slide, which is about pronunciation hint. Now I have written these phonetic symbols here. See, the apples, the umbrellas, the girls, the benches. See why I used the and why I used the in these examples. Apples, the word begins with a vowel. So if the noun begins with a vowel, you have to say the apples, the umbrellas. So here a is a vowel, so you have to say the umbrellas. In next cases, the girls, the benches. So girls, this noun begins with a consonant. Benches, the noun begins with a consonant b. So always say the girls, the benches. And in case of vowel, you have to say the apples, the umbrellas, the eggs, right? Now for more details you can refer to our textbook Literary Gleam. Thank you everyone. Stay home and stay learning.